students, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to discuss some multiple choice questions on evolution of man, right? First, best advantage of bipedal locomotion in man is that it releases the forelimbs for other purpose, increases speed, provides better body support, reduce body weight. First option is correct, release the forelimbs for other purposes. Which of the following statement is correct? Present ape are ancestors of man anatomically. Proconsul was perhaps the common ancestor of apes and man. Proconsul was ancestor of man and not of apes, none of these. Second option is correct. Proconsul was perhaps the common ancestors of apes and man. Which of the following statement is more correct? Proconsul was nearer to apes anatomically. Proconsul was nearer to man anatomically. Proconsul was near to man and apes, both none of these. First option is correct. Proconsul was nearer to apes anatomically. Next, the zoological name of modern man is Canis familiaris, Homo sapiens, Panthera tigris, none of these. It is Homo sapiens. Five evidence of ceremonial burial of dead have been found with fossils of Cro-Magnon, Java ape man, Neanderthal, Peking man. It is Neanderthal man. The most recent or nearest and direct prehistoric ancestors of present man, Cro-Magnon, Java ape, Peking, Neanderthal. Correct option is Cro-Magnon. Now the next one is cranial capacity of Java ape man was about 1450 cc, 900 cc, 1660 cc, 1075. It is 900 cc. Evolution of man was possible perhaps because our ape-like structure had no food problems, adopted group hunting, used fire, adopted bipedal locomotion upon open ground. Fourth option is correct. Adopted bipedal locomotion upon open ground. Name given to the fossil hominid of Shivalik Hills in India, Ramapithecus, Australopithecus, Pithecanthropus, Sinothrambus. The first option is called Ramapithecus. Next, the content where most of the fossils of primitive man have been excavated: Asia, Africa, America, Australia. It is Africa. Java ape man was discovered by Leakey, Davidson Black, Dubois, Cuvier. It is Dubois. Zoological name of Pithecanthropus, that is Java ape man, is Homo erectus, Sinanthropus, Australopithecus, Homo sapiens. It is Homo erectus. Characteristic which was not in the direction of evolution of man is binocular vision, boreasis, shortening of jaws, prehensile tail. It is prehensile tail. The first probable fossil man, Homo, was Australopithecus, Pithecanthropus, Homo habilis, Ramapithecus. It is Homo habilis. Homo erectus is the scientific name of Java and Peking man, African man, Peking man, Java man. The first option, Java and Peking man. Neanderthal man resembled modern man, often had a somewhat larger brain than modern man, was culturally more advanced than modern man, had a much smaller brain than that of modern man. Second option is correct, often had a somewhat larger brain than modern brain. Ancestor of man who first stood erect was Australopithecus, Java ape man, Peking man, Cro-Magnon. It is Australopithecus. Cro-Magnon man was carnivorous, omnivorous, herbivorous, frugivorous. It is carnivorous. Homo erectus differed from Cro-Magnon man in having protruded jaws, having receding jaws, being able to draw pictures of animals, being able to make well-formed tools and weapons, having protruded jaws. Fossils of Pithecanthropus were first discovered in China, Japan, Java, Germany. It is in Java. Which characteristics applies to the species of Homo sapiens? Large canines, opposable toes, receding chin, cranial capacity of about 1450 cc. It is cranial capacity of about 1450 cc. Which one is the closest relatives of modern man today? Organton, gorilla, gibbon, Sinanthropus. It is gorilla. Java men primarily lived only in Java, China, Africa. Java, China, and Africa. It is in Java and China. Which of these ancestors of modern man has presumably lived upon Earth during the Pleistocene. It is Australopithecus, Xenanthropus, Neanderthal man, Atlantic man. It is Neanderthal man. Which of these presumably possessed a cranial capacity of almost equal to or even a bit larger than that of today's man? Neanderthal man, Peking man, Java ape man, Australopithecus. It is Neanderthal man. Which one of these is believed to have first made use of fire for hunting, cooking, and protection? Java ape man, Neanderthal man, Cro-Magnon man, Peking man. It is Java ape. Colored rock paintings were presumably first made by Cro-Magnon, Neanderthal, Java ape man, Peking man. It is Cro-Magnon man. Which one presumably possessed largest cranial capacity? Neanderthal man, Cro-Magnon man, Java ape man, Peking man. It is Cro-Magnon man. In which of these the cranial cavity was smallest? Cro-Magnon, Neanderthal, Peking, Java ape man. It is in Java ape man. The earliest site where human civilization and crop cultivation started was visibly around Caspian and Mediterranean Sea, around Silver River Nile, Chinese River Valley, all of these. Around Caspian and Mediterranean Seas, first option is correct. Paleolithic age relates to prehistoric man, modern man, subman, backward man. It is modern man. The early man whose skeleton is almost indistinguishable from that of modern man was Peking, Java, Cro-Magnon, Neanderthal. It is Cro-Magnon. A prehistoric man with a cranial capacity almost similar to that of modern man was Homo habilis, Homo erectus, Homo heidelbergensis, Homo sapiens neanderthalensis. It is Homo sapiens neanderthalensis. Which change is relevant in connection with evolution of man? Loss of tail, change of diet from hard nuts and hard roots to softer food, perfection, perfection of hands for tool making, increase in the ability to communicate with others and develop community behavior. Second option, change of diet from hard nuts and hard roots to softer food. Cranial capacity of Australopithecus was 350 to 450 centimeter cube, 650 to 700 centimeter cube, 1050 to 1150 centimeter cube, 1400 to 1450 centimeter cube. Correct option is first, 350 to 450 centimeter cube. Man differs from apes in having legs longer than arms, protruding jaws, grasping hands, poorly developed forehead. Long legs longer than arms. Which one is correct statement about human races? Different human races cannot interbreed. Some human races can interbreed. All human races can interbreed and produce fertile offspring. All human races can interbreed but cannot produce fertile offspring. Third option is correct. It is the all human races can interbreed and produce fertile offspring. Man who first built huts and buried the dead with ceremonies, Java man, Neanderthal man, Cro-Magnon man, Peking. It is Neanderthal. I hope it's clear to you. Any doubt anywhere, you can ask in the comment section. Again, we will meet in the next video with more important questions for. Thank you.